Hello friends, let's see what are the materials that we are using in electronics. Basically in electronics we have conductors and insulators. In simple language, if we talk like अगर current conduction होता है like in the wires we have, that are the conductors, and वायर्स को हम जो प्लास्टिक कवरिंग करते हैं दैट इज़ नथिंग बट द इंसुलेटर, बिकॉज उसमें से करंट कंडक्शन नहीं होता है. दीज आर द सिंपल टर्म्स, but now we will focus on a semiconductor. So today these are our topics and we will discuss and focus on that. So here you can see we have three types of circuit. Here we have one resistor connected in series with the battery. Here you can see we have one plastic brush, and here you can see there is a P and something written over there, and that is again everything is connected in series, and load is a bulb over here. So what do you think, like which circuit will conduct and our light or load will blink? So yes, we will see the first one and the last one will blink. Like resistor is nothing but the circuit or the component which will conduct electricity and current, so the battery will give charge to the load, and yes, our this circuit will going to turn on the light. Here is the plastic brush. Of course it will not conduct any kind of electricity, so it is nothing but the insulator, and there is no electricity conduction between the battery and the load. Here it's a quite tricky part, because if you connect battery to the bulb in a initial condition it will not work. So this is semiconductor which is having properties like a conductor as well as insulator as well. That is what we are going to learn in this topic, and here we will cover what exactly the materials are, how each material will behave, what exactly the semiconductor is, and how we can differentiate between insulator, conductors and the semiconductors. So here we will first go with the semiconductor. Now you can see there are two types of something I have written over there. You can see P type, N type over here. But first we will see like what exactly the semiconductor is. As I told you, it is having conductivity like a conductor, and it is an insulator. So most common material we are using as a semiconductor or in a semiconductor components is nothing but the silicon. It is most widely used component. So here semiconductor is if we consider pure silicon, so that silicon is basically we call as a intrinsic semiconductor, because there is no impurity in it, and it is having 4 electrons in its outermost shell. So it is basically balanced. It is not going to change its outer orbit, and hence it is non-conducting material. But we can make it conducting if we add some impurities, and if we add some impurities we call it as a dope. So after adding impurity we get two types of material, one is N type and one is P type. N for negative, you can remember it very easily, P as a positive. So negative is nothing but the electron, positive are the holes. So here if we add some kind of impurity we will get N type semiconductor, and if we add another type of impurity we get P type. So here we can say N type semiconductor material. Here in this diagram you can see we have 4 electrons in outermost shell. Then we add one impurity, that is nothing but the pentavalent impurity. If we add over here we have this extra, because 4 we have already in the outer shell, 4 will connect it and make it 8 in the outer orbit, but one remain rotating or moving in the atom or inside the material, and hence that electron, one extra electron is there with every atom, and that makes this type of material is N, because electron is with charge negative. So for the pentavalent impurity we have this common dopants phosphorus, arsenic or the antimony. These are the doping materials we are using to make a intrinsic semiconductor in N type. And for the P type, of course, so here in the N type material we can see we have extra electron, and yes, that electron becomes free and move, and that extra electron is called as the negative charge carrier, makes it N type. Here in the P type, again yes, we have some doping material here, but this doping is nothing but the trivalent. As I already told you, we have 4 electrons in the outer orbit. We add 3 more electrons, makes 1 place vacant, because in the outer orbit we hardly have 7 electrons, which makes 1 hole, like the positive charge is there because we have 1 less electron in the outer orbit. Make this type of semiconductor in a positive charge, which is more in this type of material, is called as the P type semiconductor. And here our common dopants are boron, gallium and indium. So here you can easily say we have 3 electrons which are bond with the surrounding atoms, and we have 1 vacant place for the missing electron. So this electron is positively charged electron. So in simple word, if we talk, like if we say N type of semiconductor material, so you can consider there are people which are more in number but chairs are less. तो अगर यहाँ पे we have more number of people, तो ये people chair अगर ऑक्यूपाई करते हैं तो वैलेंस मूविंग इलेक्ट्रॉन के जैसे वी हैव नंबर ऑफ स्टैंडिंग पीपल, क्योंकि जो चेयर पे बैठे हैं दे विल नॉट गोइंग टू गिव इट टू अदर. तो ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ पे मूविंग मेन विल बी देयर, दैट इज नथिंग बट द एन टाइप बिहेवियर ऑफ द मटेरियल. और अगर वी हैव मोर नंबर ऑफ चेयर्स एंड लेस नंबर ऑफ पीपल, तो अगर we have vacant chairs in this case, so vacant chairs are nothing but the holes we can say, and yes, that's the P type of semiconductor. So this is P-N junction. Now if we connect this P type of material with the N type of material, both have opposite charges available inside their material atoms, तो इस केस में negative will attract towards the holes and holes will attract towards the negative, makes layer over here, and that layer is called as the depletion layer. तो यहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा ग्रीन निगेटिव जो हमारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है वो पॉजिटिव की तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे, बट देर इज़ वन बैरियर जिनको वो टेक ओवर नहीं कर सकते, एंड दे फॉर्म द लेयर. ये निगेटिव इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की तरफ पॉजिटिव साइड से भी होल्स आ जाएंगे फ्रॉम द पी जंक्शन, और यहाँ पे जो फॉर्मेशन होगा दैट इज़ द डिप्लीशन रीजन. और इस तरह से अगर इफ़ वी कनेक्ट नेगेटिव टू द पी टाइप एंड पॉजिटिव टू द एन टाइप, तो अगर एन को यू विल गिव द पॉजिटिव, तो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव निगेटिव का एक कॉम्बिनेशन बन जाएगा, एंड देन यहाँ पे आपके मूविंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कम हो जाएंगे, एंड जो भी हैं दैट विल गो टूवर्ड्स अदर साइड एंड दैट विल कंप्लीट द circuit. This is how the PN junction depletion region form. So basically what we have learned over here, conductors and insulators in simple word, जो material चार्जेस को फ्लो करने के लिए अलाउ करता है, लाइक अ मेटल, कॉपर एंड ऑल दिस मटेरियल्स आर द वन जहाँ से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का कंडक्शन होता है. इंसुलेटर आर द वंस which resist the free moving charges, like a diamond we can say, rubber, then we have this type of plastic wire, and that are the insulator. Now if we talk about the semiconductor, then yes, now you are able to understand what is intrinsic semiconductor. वो वाला semiconductor जिसमें impurities add नहीं होती है, outer जो हमारा orbit है उसमें hardly 4 electrons हैं, and द एक्सट्रिंसिक वो होते हैं जिनमें इम्प्योरिटीज़ का डोपिंग किया जाता है. सो अगर वहाँ पे 3 इम्प्योरिटीज़ डोपिंग करेंगे हम, देन इन दैट केस वी विल गेट पी टाइप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर. अगर पेंटावैलेंट इम्प्योरिटीज़ को ऐड करेंगे वी विल गेट एन टाइप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर. This is what exactly the semiconductor and P and N type of materials are. Now in the next video we will talk about the diode and how it's work and everything. If you like or learn something from this video, do like and share and subscribe. Thank you.